Hello and welcome everybody, and welcome to the Geek Tech Show. Over here we cover a wide variety of tech, reviews, and all kinds of cool gear and stuff as well. Please make sure to sub to this channel if you did enjoy it. In this video you'll learn a few good tricks about the GoPro, and if you just got this, you probably are wondering how you charge this and you put the memory stick right inside here. So let's go ahead and find this out. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and put the memory stick right inside. I'm going to be putting it like this, and I actually already put this in, so I have to reject it. So you need something sharp like a knife. What you have to do is to press this right here just a little bit, and you're going to be pressing it out. But before you press it out, you want to press on this first, so you actually reject it just a little bit. Now if you have long nails, you can possibly get it out, but most people are going to have a huge trouble getting it out of here. Because of that, a sharp object such as a knife is going to be great for you, and it takes it out very fast, just like that. To put this back in, all you have to do is to put the same exact way in, and this is the easy part to put it in. It's actually more designed to put it in than to get it out. You just press on this all the way up, and it is in. Next, you're going to be putting the battery inside here. Before we put the battery inside, you have to learn how to open it. So I'm going to be showing you how to open it in a second, but first, well, probably you have to learn how to open it before you go ahead and learn the other things. So let's go ahead and figure this one out first. So to open it up, all you have to do is to press this down, just like that, and pull it up. It's really that simple. When it comes to putting this in, there's only one way for this to go in, and this thing, the beefy side, is going to the bottom. And then you're going to be sticking it in and pressing it all the way in. Don't ever cut this. This is not a beauty thing. This is to get the battery in and out of here much easier. And this is what makes it more waterproof as well. There's two ways for you to charge this. The first way is to get the battery out and have a GoPro charger. The second way for you to go ahead and do this is to simply take the GoPro cable that it is included with it, and if it's not, you better buy it, or else there's no way you can charge this. Well, there is another way, and you have to just stick it in here, and that's the way for you to go. Now, if you have an Apple charger or any kind of a smartphone or a USB charger, all you have to do is to unplug it from this side. And how do you unplug it? Well, simply you're going to take this, pull it out, put this back in here, and you can use this to go ahead and charge your GoPro 8. On the other hand, you can use other devices too, or you can use your laptop to charge it with the USB cable too. Another way for you to go ahead and charge it is to take something known as a solar charger. This one not only is the solar charger all by itself, it is also doubles as a power memory bank too. So all you have to do is to plug it in to an actual port, USB port, and it is supercharged. Now what I'm going to be showing you next is you take the GoPro, and what you're going to be doing is sticking it right in here and putting it in here. As we put this right inside here, what's going to happen next is that it's going to light up right on the side right there. Let me show you once again what's going to happen to this. So we're plugging this in, and this light supposedly comes on. Now here it is, it's on. This means it's actually charging. Because this battery is almost fully charged, it's not going to really charge it too much, but you can see it right here as well. And if you see the red light, it means it's working and it is charging right now. The great thing about the GoPro number 8 is that you can actually turn this on as it is charging at the same exact time here. As you turn this on, there's going to be two things that's going to happen here. One, it's going to go and take power from the actual battery source. Another one, it can actually take power from the power bank, and if the battery is not 100%, it's going to go through it. But here is the neat trick right here. you can actually take the whole battery out, charge it on a different location, and use the memory, use the solar charger to power this up. Why is this so great? Well, think about it this way. Sometimes you need some extra power for you to actually juice up your adventure. At other times, you might need to plug this into the wall and do some cinematography for a very long time. And maybe one set of battery is not enough for it, or maybe you just ran out of the battery itself and you need something else. Well, this is something that is just ingenious. It lets you do this. So number 8 can do things a previous version could not actually do before. To unplug it, you simply unplug. Let's go ahead and put this right back in here, just like that. And you can see it just snapped out of place. That's actually totally okay. It's made for it to do that. Oh, there we go. And what we have to do next is just close this up, just like that. Make sure it's all the way in. And voila, we are done. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you learned something new. And if you did, make sure you sub to the Geek Tech Show and see you in another episode.